What's going on, everybody? Here's an updated video of the lower apron and the upper frame rails. I had to make the upper frame rail because you have to buy the whole frame rail to get those pieces, so I did the best I could to mimic what's going on the other side. I still have to drill those two holes yet, but other than that, I think it's pretty close. Here's all the old stuff down here. This used to be back here. And then this is what was in the front. What happens is the battery just leaks all the acid over the years and it just rots everything out. So this was the old apron. This one right here. You have to use a little body filler to fill in your weld area up top, but it's nice to section them in because you want to see all these factory welds right here. When the whole car's together, you're going to see those. But you're not going to see any of this stuff down here because the battery goes right there. And then this gets filled with body filler, and everything else looks factory. Even this right here, it's a little crude, but that's how it's supposed to look. So we're keeping it that way because there's just some things on these cars that you just want it to look how it's supposed to from the factory. So my next step is to take some 120 on the DA and get rid of all the stuff that was missed by the sandblaster. And it's not a big deal. This stuff will come right off. And the reason why it was missed because you just don't want to heat up the metal with your sandblasting. You don't want to warp it. So you just want to lightly go over it with the sandblaster and then do the rest with 120. And then you'll have a nice surface to put etch primer on. Well, this thing's one step closer to being painted, so stay tuned, keep watching the videos. There's lots more to come on this one.